Aadhaar is an annual event organized by Hindu Charities for America, which brings South Asians together to raise funds for needy students to help them with their education. This year, more than 300 attendees took part in the event and raised more than $20,000 in funds. Representative of TV Asia, Seema Govil, got awarded for TV Asia's contribution in community service during the program.
बच्चे देश का भविष्य है, जो नींव है हर देश की प्रगति के लिए। इसीलिए नींव को मजबूत बनाने के लिए हिंदू चैरिटीज फॉर अमेरिका ने आधार फंड रेजिंग इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज किया। आधार मीनिंग फाउंडेशन is an annual event organized to raise funds for financially disadvantaged students to help them with their education.
So I'm really excited to be here with a lot of friends from the South Asian community in Austin. And what we are doing is basically in this event, Aadhaar Gala, is to raise funds for scholarships for students in Austin area. These scholarships are vocational training. So it takes like 6 months to 2 years for the person to get certification, or to get qualified, with vocations like it could be, in the medical area, it could be welding, auto mechanic, some of the computer programming, web design. And what it does effectively is that they can then go in the workplace and get jobs which give them better than living wages. And given the fact that we have about 48 million people in United States who live below the poverty line, the students that we select are coming from that pool.
इस इवेंट में जमा फंड्स को अंडर प्रिविलेज किड्स को एजुकेट करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा, जहां यंगस्टर्स के गरबारास ने भी काफी एंटरटेन किया कम्युनिटी को।
What I love about this is the fact that not only are we having fun, but in addition, this support and the charitable organization that we are supporting is giving back to the community we live in. This is the community that is helping us thrive and grow and be successful in our own practices and in our own businesses. And we definitely would like to show our support back to them.
Seema Govil, who is a representative of TV Asia in Austin, got awarded for TV Asia's contribution in community services. इस इवेंट के दौरान कम्युनिटी में योगदान देने वालों को भी रिकॉग्निशन मिला, तो मंच पर बॉलीवुड गानों पर खूब थिरके कदम।
HC4A met some other people who were interested to do a gala. So it's like we started Aadhaar, which means foundation. So we laid a foundation and made Gala Aadhaar as an entity. So all these different communities can come together, do their galas, do their charities under that. They can do their events under that. So it's more like an umbrella for all the diverse communities to come and do their events. So we thought that a lot of people are interested in doing it, and HC4A took the initiative to go and make it happen. So this is the first year celebration, and I think it's going very well. People are loving it, and they're donating also.
The need of this charity is this lot of students is unfortunately don't even afford a school supply. So this charity is help those students to give out school supply for those students. This year we helped them 1,100 kids for the whole year school supply give away to those unfortunate kids for Menor ISD, Del Valle ISD, and Austin ISD. And we are so glad to help those kids.
This year's premiere of Aadhaar was an incredible experience with lots of dances, music and delicious food. The event venue was beautifully decorated. More than 300 attendees joined the event to promote the noble cause for raising funds.